To begin with, I have Saurabha here. Saurabha and her husband Vikram is from the Kuwait Kannad Kuta and she is wearing a gharchola. This couple here is a Gujarati couple dressed in the traditional finest costumes of the state of Gujarat in the west of India. Saurabha and Vikram, happily married for many years, and today they are exchanging garlands as any quintessential Indian wedding has. Exchange of garlands, floral garlands by the bride and the groom. Gentlemen, please put your hands together for Saurabha and Vikram. This glimpse into the Gujarati wedding from the western state of India, Gujarat. And next, we go to Karnataka. Swati Nair is wearing a traditional silk sari. Swati is carrying in her hand a floral plate. Dressed in red sari with golden and black borders, Swati is today showcasing Indian bride from the state of Karnataka. You were indeed a beautiful Karnataka bride today. A big round of applause for her again, please. Thank you. Next we have a couple, Mrs. Sangeeta Mangalgir and her husband Anant Mangalgir. Sangeeta is dressed as a traditional Karnataka bride again, and as you can see the variety and the diversity. And as you can see, they are carrying together a piece of cloth, which is not just the cloth, but it symbolizes the bond that they will have forever, the husband and the wife, the bride and the groom. Happily married for many years now, Anant and Sangeeta rekindle their vows today with this Parinay walk.
கண்ணா அலைப்பா
Thank you, Sangeeta and Anand. A big round of applause for them. And next, we go to the state of Maharashtra, again in the west of India. Here, you have a bride, Suma Rao. She is dressed in Nauwari sari, which means that the sari is 9 yards. The sari is draped differently, as you can see. The sari is longer than the normal 6-yard sari worn normally by modern women. She is wearing, of course, the traditional Indian jewelry. And what you saw her wearing as a necklace from her forehead, that's emblematic of Maharashtrian brides. And next we go to the region of Punjab. Here we have Mrs. Rashmi Sriram Gold. She is dressed as a Punjabi bride, wearing a Patiala style suit, not a sari this time. Vibrant colors, glids and glamour. The things that we associate with Punjabi weddings anywhere.
Audio Jungle.
Thank you. Put your hands together for the Punjabi bride. Next we have bride from the state of Rajasthan. This is Deepika, a member of the family of Embassy of India, Kuwait. Deepika is wearing a vibrant yellow costume that is emblematic of Rajasthani weddings worn by the bride. Vibrant colors that we all associate with the state of Rajasthan. Let's put our hands together for Deepika.
Audio Jungle.
We have a bride from the state of Assam, eastern part of India. Rajeshwari Chetan is wearing a Mekhla Chador, a sari worn in 2 parts. Silk sari woven by hand by the weavers of Assam. Thank you, Rajeshwari. A bride from Assam. And now we go to the state of Bengal. Ivory and red is the theme of these color combinations that you see. Shalini Alva and her husband Yadunath, dressed as a Bengali couple, bride and groom. Shalini is carrying in her hands dhoop in a clay pot. A happy couple that has walked together for many years, walking here again. Let's put our hands together for Shalini and Yadunath. And of course, they pose. This is the sindoor that he has put on her forehead. A gift to any bride. Shalini carrying dhoop in a clay pot. Go again to Karnataka, this time to the region of Coorg. Mrs. Suma Bhatt, she is today wearing a costume of traditional bride from Coorg. As you can see, this is a sari, but worn entirely differently. And she is carrying a garland like a bride would do. Sumaji, bride from the Coorg region of Karnataka. And then we go Alaka Jitendra and Jitendra, husband and wife, dressed as a Kerala couple. White silk sari, golden borders, gold ornaments. Carrying a plate for invocation offerings.
Audio Jungle.
Mrs. Alka Jitendra and Mr. Jitendra to leave the stage one by one.